That's gotta hurt!
What are you doing? Fucking hell!
Alexandria Parade. Fucking idiots. Fuck's sake, you fucking idiot.
Damn right!
How are you going to be watching the game?
Well, I've got about 30 people coming to my house or something like that. I didn't realise that authorise has all today.
Well, not your heart or push your voice through your head. What's your head saying?
Fucking Jesus Christ.
Page where you can give us the information of where to see your signet ring, has to give a sign, and what to wear, of course. You can also use it to seal up your important
What in the actual fuck?
Continue straight onto Vulture Street, State Road 41.
You gained just one fucking car, you fucking numpty.
Continue
What a
on
flop.
State Road 41.
Brilliant. Really good. And with Charlie Dixon playing in the sample on the weekend, things are looking, starting to look like they've got a bit of a bright horizon.
You fucking moron.
Melbourne away this
You
week. to win
fucking
comfortably.
idiots.
Then we
Brain
started
dead
interrupting
dickheads.
Fantasia, our man who spoke about in AA.
Wanna know how to die?
Last week saying that he's had his...
Watch out. Doing it.
Oh, gee, that's a tough one, Bert. What I would probably do, and this might sound a bit left field,
Red
I don't
light
know that
runner.
I'd buy a new car, Jade. I mean,
Dickhead.
you could at some point. Check out Gliderol Garage Doors new Timberlake Native Series sectional doors, gliderol.com.au. From May 29 to June 10, 2020. Churchill Road. Detours are in place.
Fucking hell, mate. I reckon there must be some flash flooding for here. Like cars abandoned.
A message from the Government of South Australia.
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
By the name of Kim Wilde. Back tonight from 7 with Smooth 80s. More music and less talk, of course, with the weekend. If you're up bright and early tomorrow morning, a great voice to wake up with is Melissa Doyle. She's then followed by Richard Wilkins, then David Campbell, and then tomorrow night, David's dad, Jimmy Barnes, part of the Smooth family from 8 o'clock. You don't want to miss that.
Look, commemoration is important thanks to Australia. The centenary
centenary of Australia House, our diplomatic mission in London. The Queen visited in 2010. But all sorts of special ingredients. It looks stunning, and I'm hoping if all goes well I might be able to have a taste on Sunday night.
Yes, yeah, depending where the tablets are. I can just pick a blanket
Oh.
see, yes they do, and I don't know which ones, but yes, there are
Bloody hell, that was
things
close.
like glucose.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Need to be sure they aren't getting unnecessary personal information. Once biometric information is collected, it does present a
fucking
risk that it
idiot!
could be
belly, and you can use pork shoulder as well if you want. If you're using pork shoulder, probably take a little bit longer to cook.
Fuck?
Any like cheaper.
We're on a red light. Hey, bro. Fucking dopey.
Yep. Just Google a fast removal tool.
What a fucking...
Thank you very much. Thanks, Barry. Before you go, Barry,
You cut the fucking ambulance off your
there was actually a
dog.
link on my website to go and do that from a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, yeah, beard 5.
AdelaideTechGuys.com.
That's beard covering your head. Oh! Fucking hell.
guys, how are you?
Good, Mary.
Jeez, we're full of fucking idiots on the road.
I've got windows
Fucking hell.
so don't shoot me because
You have got to be kidding! Unfucking believable.
Speed up, speed up, come on, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Fuck me! What the fuck are you doing? Can't go that way. You can't go that way. Stupidity! Stupidity!
Holy fucking right.
We're going to check in with the SES a little bit later and get a sense of the start of the call that's what they're dealing with in the areas that they're concentrating on.
Fucking diesel, $4.35.8 a litre.
You've got to be kidding me. I have brain aneurysm to fucking fill up at that price.